how vitamin D helps in healthy hair growth. Let's see in this video. Vitamin D is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health. While it may not directly cure hair loss, there is some evidence to suggest that a deficiency in vitamin D could contribute to hair-related problems. However, it's essential to understand that hair loss can have various underlying causes, and vitamin D is just one factor among many. Here's how vitamin D may be related to hair health. 1. Role in hair follicle cycling. Vitamin D receptors are present in hair follicles. Studies have shown that vitamin D may influence the hair follicle's life cycle, which consists of growth, rest, and shedding phases. Adequate vitamin D levels may support a balanced hair follicle cycle, potentially leading to healthier hair growth. 2. Immune system support. Vitamin D is known to have immunomodulatory effects, which means it can help regulate the immune system. Some hair loss conditions, such as alopecia areata, involve an autoimmune response that attacks hair follicles. Adequate vitamin D levels might help in moderating the immune response and reducing inflammation. 3. Impact on hair thinning. Vitamin D deficiency has been associated with hair thinning in some studies. Ensuring sufficient levels of vitamin D might help improve hair thickness and density. 4. Reducing stress-related hair loss. Some research suggests that vitamin D might have a role in reducing stress-related hair loss. Chronic stress can contribute to hair shedding, and vitamin D's impact on stress management might indirectly help with hair health. If you suspect a vitamin D deficiency or are experiencing hair loss, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional or a dermatologist. They can conduct the necessary tests to assess your vitamin D levels and determine the underlying cause of your hair loss. Supplementing with vitamin D should be done under the guidance of a healthcare provider, as excessive vitamin D intake can have adverse effects. The recommended dietary allowance (ARDA) for vitamin D varies by age and sex but generally falls between 600–800 IU per day for adults. Remember that hair loss can be caused by numerous factors, including genetics, hormonal imbalances, nutritional deficiencies, medical conditions, medications, and more. Therefore, a comprehensive approach to address hair loss should consider all potential underlying causes. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more informative content.